So welcome again, guys. I missed on my recording, and we are here today to talk about the topic which has been showing in my world, and I have been exploring and asking questions around this. That is my life a problem or is it a possibility? So it's been like, something always knocking my head to ask this question and get awarenesses that what is the energy when we get up in the morning. I might use a little Hindi if you guys don't mind, because Hindi is my mother tongue and I do enjoy speaking. And if anyone cannot understand, you can always tell me. I will switch on to English too. सो हम जब सवेरे उठते हैं तो हम क्या सोचते हैं कि हमारी जिंदगी फालतू की है कि हमारी जिंदगी मजेदार है. So that's the energy I have been playing with, and let's start. So anybody, any question, guys? When I talk about this question, what energy shows up in your world? Who's coming up?
Uh, I'm coming, Jitu.
Hello,
Hi.
Indu. Hello, welcome.
Hi. Uh, when I get up in the morning,
Yeah.
first thing I just say Radhe Radhe because वो मेरे इश्क हैं. I think everybody understands that. कि और फिर मैं बोलती हूँ कि universe, what magic can we do today?
Awesome.
What magic can we do today? और इस वक्त 25 दिन से मैं हाउस अरेस्ट में हूँ because Nagpur is on the peak.
Okay.
25 days, and really from last 10 days I'm like I was feeling very lonely, but in the morning after Aradhna's call, how we just send our loneliness to the earth and then take from the earth, a smile comes on my face.
Awesome. How does it get any better?
How does it get any better than this?
Yeah.
So, and then when I was asking about magic, suddenly my mother called my daughter in Chennai, telling her कि तू तेरी मम्मी को बुला ले. So I was not ready to go. So my mother said, देख मेरे को बहुत टेंशन होता है तेरा because my maid also died of COVID. So I'm all alone now and I cannot keep a new maid because we don't know what that maid will get. So my mother said, जब तक ये ठीक नहीं होता है नागपुर में, जब तक तू वापस नहीं आएगी, चाहे 2 महीना 3 महीना, जो भी you stay with your children.
Okay.
So that is also a magic for me. That is also a magic because Chennai has got so many openings, and my mother even said कि अगर तेरे को वहाँ पे काम जम जाता है तो why don't you shift there? You shift there because अब हम लोग कितने दिन के हैं? They are 80 plus all. My parents are 80 plus. और उसके बाद तेरे को कौन देखेगा?
Awesome. Awesome.
So I
So
wanted to go. I had a talk with my father. He said नहीं जब तक मैं बैठा हूँ नहीं जाना. But this COVID has given a positive thing. कि तेरे को शिफ्ट होना है तो तू हो जाना. अभी चले जा 2-3 दिन के लिए, ठीक होगा, और जब तक तेरा if you be satisfied, you shift there.
Okay. So that's what. So what is the energy then? Whatever is going around with you today, do you see it as a problem or do you see it as a possibility?
It's a possibility, of course.
Yes. So that.
It's a possibility.
Yes. So how many times in a day do we see anything as a possibility rather than a problem? Can we be honest? So it's not from judgment, and I'm no rocket science ki main bhi 24 घंटे वैसे ही state में रहती हूँ. The purpose is that when we are coming together, we want to see what are the patterns that, where do we are choosing to see the possibilities and yet we define them as problems. So that's that. Can you be like truthful? So what is the reason that brings down you to a space that you see something as a problem? So maybe you explore right now within you, and I'll talk to other people. You know, what is that one thing which makes you to go into the space to that this is not a possibility, this is a problem. वो एक क्या क्या moment होता है? What do you get at that moment? So just explore within yourself. I'll
जैसे
come
अभी
back to you
कोविड
with
कोविड था तो वो एक प्रॉब्लम लग रहा था,
हाँ
कोविड
so
वाज लग रहा था अभी तक प्रॉब्लम, और
I
आज
will
भी
I will come back to
एक
you.
वो
I'll
एक
come back to
प्रॉब्लम
you,
लग रहा
Indu.
था, बट उसी में से पॉसिबिलिटी है। या
Yeah, I'll
ओके
come back to
ओके
you. You play with this energy right now, and we'll go ahead with other people.
यस यस
Yeah. Hi, Shalini. Welcome. Yeah. Okay. Anybody else, guys? So, see, we are not here. I'm not here to gauge you, to check you out. Ki kahan problem hai, nahi hai. Ki, we must give and present correct answers. Guys, it's nothing like that. Please get that. It's like, what I am trying to is get you. I'm going to get information from you people, and we're all going to explore it together. So what might be true for Rohini might not be true for me. What might be true for Kavita might not be true for me. So again, and what might be true for Sheetal would not be true for Umesh. So the purpose here is to see that what are the patterns where we are not willing to see our life as a possibility, and we always go in the definition कि आज problem है. So that is the purpose. Now, anybody else who wants to come up and we can talk on that?
Yeah, Ritu, should
Yeah,
I
Rohini.
share
Sure,
with
sure.
you?
Surely,
Yeah.
Rohini. Yeah.
So these days, it's problem and possibilities existing together. So it's very strange that when I'm on a lot of calls
So,
and
okay, I'll stop you here 1 minute.
yeah,
So, problem and possibility existing together. Okay. Is there anything solidified as a problem or possibility, or it is the energy?
it's the energy.
Exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
And do we have a choice with us that how do we perceive that energy? Do we have a choice?
Yes, we have a choice, but I'm finding it a little difficult these days to get on to that choice, of turning the problem into a possibility. So, but when I come on to calls, like I'm attending your call, or, I'm attending any facilitators calls on, and obviously they all are contributive in their own way. I suddenly,
Absolutely.
my world lights up, and I'm like, okay, they're just, you see just possibilities all around you.
Yeah, yeah.
But there are parts of the days when I see the day as a problem, and there are parts of the day when I'm going through that phase
So
right
is
now.
there anything wrong, even if you see part of the day as a problem, or if you see part of the day as a possibility? Is there
No,
anything
I
wrong?
think,
So that is
no,
what I said. The purpose of this
yeah,
call is not to judge and assess you. I'm not assessing anybody. This is not a classroom that somebody will get A plus, that if they going to say, or somebody is a failure. No, the 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 thing is that we are going to explore the energies, and we are going to blast out those energies, and what can we outcreate with those energies.
yeah,
Yeah. So yeah.
yes,
So
yes,
can you be an
sorry,
allowance? Can you be an allowance of you? Okay.
yes,
On the days when you see the possibility as a problem, can you be an allowance of yourself?
yeah, absolutely.
Everything that doesn't allow you to perceive, receive, know, be that energy right now, will you destroy and uncreate, please?
Yes,
Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and poc, online, shorts, prize and beyonds. And guys, if anybody who is not from Access Consciousness, I will be using this clearing statement, which is there in www.clearingstatement.com. And it's one of the most wacky thing, though yet very potent. It's like a magic wand. So whenever we use this statement, we are going beyond the logic. क्योंकि अभी हमको logic यही बोल रहा है कि इसको ऐसे ही देखना है, okay? Only see this. But when we are repeating these clearing statements again and again, man, we go to the core, we go to the bottom of it, and we just blast it out without even we knowing it cognitively. Okay, how like Rohini said that when I'm attending so many classes and sessions, I feel she's lighter. So the reason is that because she is playing with the tools and receiving from the tools more at that moment. So the purpose is that what if we can be this energy 24/7? What if we don't have to separate ourselves at all? From being that energy कि हमें मतलब खाली जब हम कॉल पे आए तो तभी हमको अच्छा लगेगा, नहीं तो हमको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Everything that brings up, can we destroy and uncreate, please? Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. So all the secret agendas, we have that, only if I do this, something will change in my life. Can we destroy and uncreate right now, please? Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. So what if you choose? What if, Rohini, you like to be in the company of all of us, okay? And you don't know how to come and chat with us, and you turn the possibility into a problem and show up. Is that a possibility?
Could be.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is that
yeah,
right?
could be. Yeah.
Yeah. So
yeah, that feels lighter. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And we all do it. We all do it in our daily life. Yeah. If somebody is not talking to you, if if you have kids at home, if you're not paying attention, they will do something and they will get your attention. That's the molecular human strategy.
He is demanding.
Yeah. So what if?
Man,
Wow. Hello. Welcome. How lucky did I get to meet? Can you? What is his name?
Ridya.
Say.
Ridya.
Ridya. He or she?
She.
Hi, Ridya. Thank you for showing up, sweetheart. Thank you. I wonder what has already shifted by her showing up. Thank you so much. Yeah. So that is what, Rohini, did you get what is the energy behind?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, and it's not only in this, it's with everything we do in our life. Okay, I'll give you an example. So since lockdown, I'm enjoying, I'm having classes, I'm co-creating, I'm hosting, I'm having my own live classes, online classes. So in between, something just I started saying, क्या मुझे सारा टाइम कंप्यूटर के आगे ही बैठना है? I started, downloading this energy in my system. That do I have to always be in front of the computer? So what has happened since 10 days? My cook has gone on a vacation. Now I'm most of the time in the kitchen. Can you believe I created that? Can you believe it? Guys, we are that potent creators. So, and initially, I would always go into the wrongness. I'm talking about years ago. If my servant or anybody, I would hold on to them. You cannot go, you cannot go. He just asked me once, mujhe jana hai. I said, okay, jao. And he asked me again, like he thought ki I will stop him or something. He said, hame gaon jana hai. I said, okay, aap jao. And this is the willingness. What I'm telling you is that when you are not resisting anything which is coming to you, see, it is again, guys, we have sky, there are clouds. Sky mein clouds dikhenge na. Problem possibility dono इकट्ठा चलता है. So it is one coin, head and tails dono hai. But what are we doing? We are always wanted to have heads. Is that a possibility? When you will put it up, tails bhi to aayega na. I mean, it's like so natural. And it's not only about like about access consciousness. All these things are available to us. Are we willing to receive that? But the thing is that we are always willing to push it back. Everything you're defining as a problem will keep coming to you until unless you receive it today. So, okay, I'm a problem. Okay, but मैं तेरे घर में knock कर रही हूँ. I'm knocking at your door. Rohini, may I come in? May I come in? And you keep telling, I'm not there. I'm not there. Come another day. Come another day. But I'm also stubborn. I want to see you. Okay. So the day maybe you are willing to open the door, and you had some point of view कि पता नहीं ऋतु कैसे होएगी. The day you opened the door, and when I hugged you, you said, यार ये तो ठीक है, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है, इसमें कोई खराबी नहीं है. I can receive a hug from her.
Yeah, that's very true.
It's that simple, guys. Life is that simple. And everywhere we are not able to tap into that simplicity of life right now. Can we destroy and uncreate, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, shorts, boys, and beyonds. Everywhere we have the secret agendas of making our life hard and not fun. Can we destroy it right now? Everything that doesn't allow, let's destroy and uncreate. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, shorts, boys, and beyonds. So the thing is again that we have defined as like problem as something wrong. Is it really wrong? एक दिन रोना भी पड़ता तो रो लो यार, क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? रोना, जब पैदा हुए थे तो रोते हुए निकले थे ना, रोने से क्यों डर लगता? कोई जरूरी तो नहीं है हंसना ही हमेशा. I mean, it's like, it's such a paradox of life. We have like defined life into classes, into, boxes. The purpose, what I'm saying is, don't push away the problem, okay? Receive the problem and be willing to see it as a possibility too. But till the time you are pushing it away, it will keep knocking at your doors. Let it be with your health, let it be with your wealth, let it be with your finances, let it be with any aspect of your life. The more you choose to close your eyes, it will keep coming in front of you again and again and again. And everything that doesn't allow you to receive this information, what is being downloaded right now through me to you guys, will you destroy and uncreate, please? And everywhere, everybody is going into a beyond saying what is happening and all. Let's destroy and uncreate, please. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So, मैं कोई मतलब रॉकेट साइंस की भाषा नहीं बोल रही हूँ, बिल्कुल सिंपल बात कर रही हूँ. And that is how I have got life. Of course, access का मतलब ये कि ये जो simplicity मेरे अंदर थी ना, वो access choose करने से that has come out. And I'm receiving the information in my own way. Maybe you will receive it in a different manner. Maybe Sheetal will receive in a different manner. Maybe Indu will receive in a different manner. And the day we compare कि उस facilitator के साथ ऐसे हो रहा है या इसके साथ ऐसे हो रहा है, we are jeopardizing our own life. It doesn't work like that. So, like as simple, today I went down for my walk, and just outside my house there is say about 2 months or 3 months ago, there was one tree which had beautiful fragrance. So today I was walking around, I could not smell the fragrance. You know, I was in such a awe of that information कि यार creation में भी तो जरूरी थोड़ी है हर रोज ही खुशबू आएगी. It's not necessary there'll be fragrance every day. It's a seasonal thing. It's evolving, it's changing. You know, it is that simple. And I myself, actually, I kept on wondering, and my son was there. I said, yeah, like, aren't you missing this fragrance was so beautiful. This was so beautiful. So he's telling, Ma, but it's a change of season. It's not there anymore. And you know, how come these youngsters are so point blank and clear? He says, it's not there. And I kept on saying, like, still getting attached to that fragrance. Can you get that? So this is the pattern we follow in our life also. You know, we get attached to one thing and we're not willing to explore the other side. So what if I walked through, there was no fragrance, but still I enjoyed my walk. Guys, you get it? I mean, I'm just like, are you able to perceive the energy, what is showing up right now? Anybody else now? Who would like to speak up? Kavita, Sneha, Parul, Richa, Jasmine, Umesh. Rohini, anything you want to speak more on that?
No, I think you gave a very beautiful facilitation on that of, you know, this example, especially what you said that, you know, you didn't have that fragrance and you were missing that fragrance.
Yeah, and
So,
I myself, I kept, like, I got so attached to it because it was such a beautiful fragrance. And like,
yeah.
I said, ye kahan gaya? Arey, but kahan gaya? Matlab, that is how this creation is.
So basically, one needs to be in allowance of oneself.
Absolutely.
You know, ki, yeah. So
Absolutely.
problem hai, it has come. You receive it, you acknowledge it, and be in allowance of it, and you're
Okay,
human
and what
after all,
if,
right?
yeah, and what if you could use another word instead of problem? Would that be light? So that is what I'm saying. That's how
Yeah.
the word possibility has come.
Yes.
You go through the problem, but usme possibility dekh lena. That's how I shared an example.
Yeah,
Same thing,
yeah.
like when my servant went away, I mean, now the possibility is that, like, I'm being more innovative in the kitchen.
Yeah.
I thought only this was part of my creation, but maybe that part of my creation wanted to show up also.
Yeah,
And I ask
absolutely.
question every day, what can I create today? So maybe my kitchen was asking, come and explore here. And everywhere we define anything like that as a problem. Can we destroy and uncreate it? Destroy and uncreate, please? Yes. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, shorts, boys, and beyonds. Yeah. Anybody else, guys? So again, so that is what I'm saying. Even if there is something which is not very fun for you at a moment, again, if you've not, Rohini, you've not been part of this group right from the beginning. Actually, the maybe I will, Umesh can send you the on a private chat. Umesh, send her the old links and everything. The energy of this group has been, you know, tapping into the energy of a kid. So
Okay.
yeah, my take has been always like that. I like to explore like a kid. How does a kid live his life every day? A kid gets hurt, dard bhi hoegi, they will cry. They will cry. They'll cry very loudly and make the whole world around them also know that they are crying. But then yet they're again to play again. They'll tell you, I want to go out and play. We as a parent or a, you know, brother, sister say, no, 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 you can't go and play. But the child has the willingness to go and play. Who stops? Our mind, our perception, our judgments. So the thing is that if we are willing to have like see both the parts, the day and the night, the wrong and the good, the right, wrong, good, bad of everything, the word problem will not exist. And it's not that you will not go through a turmoil. I've had lots of turmoils in my life. Today, where I am staying in a house, I shifted in 2016. Before that, I have shifted 5 houses. Okay. And I was in a big joint family. There's been a lot of trauma drama. Like, we were thrown out of a joint family. Me and my husband, the youngest, we weren't given a fair deal, all that drama and all that. But I created, and I'm enjoying every bit of it. How much I give those people blessing to bring me to this day, that I've explored so much of that, inside me, the core of me. If they won't have thrown me out of that house, if they won't have said, if I always depended on my father or my father-in-law or anybody or my brother or anybody to be the main income supporter, maybe I won't have explored myself. It's like, again, you have to have the willingness to take the challenge, be present with it. Okay. First, soak it in. Don't run away. Take it. Yes, I'm going through this. Acknowledge it. Then keep asking, is this a problem or is this a possibility? Universe, show me. Then comes the 4 questions. What can I do with this? Can I change this? How can I change this? What ease can I have in this? Even if I am hospitalized, okay, and when you step out, there are days like people say, the place where I shifted is like towards the Bangalore airport. So I used to be in main Indiranagar, which was the main hub of Bangalore. So when I was shifting, you are going to that place, you don't get any cab, nothing. Trust me, Rohini, I step out, I get Ubers, I get my Olas, I have my part-time driver who shows up, I have my sons who are willing to take me. Like, it's just that there is magic in every minute. Because whatever showed up in my life, there was a time I made a demand. Now I'm not running away from it. आज जो होना है, आज हो जाए. Okay, that demand. अगर भाई तू प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं भी प्रॉब्लम है. आ जाओ, let's see, let's come face to face. प्रॉब्लम और प्रॉब्लम्स इकट्ठे आ जाएंगे तो क्या होएगा? What will happen? I mean, that's what we are doing. हम कर क्या रहे हैं? We are just like, running away. So the day you are that energy, okay, you are willing. It's like कि सामने शेर आ गया ना, आज तो जो होएगा देखा जाएगा. Either you eat me, either I kill you, or either I climb the tree. Something will be happening. But I'm not, going to run away today. I'm going to take it in front. That's the energy. The day we take it, bring that energy out from within, not from outside, from within, then anything is possible. Then you are like a free, totally freedom. Because you will be willing, you are able to see it. You're able to see everything as a possibility. Guys, anybody else? Kavita, who's there? Jasmine, I'm not reading the comments, guy. Please show up. Yeah, I hope, guys, you don't have issue with me talking in Hindi. Are you guys fine with it? Just give me a
Not at all, Ritu.
Okay, ठीक है, बढ़िया. Okay. Jasmine, Yeah, can we have a chat? Anybody else? Sneha, anything for you? Bring it up, guys. We are
Uh,
here to have, see, that's the purpose of these calls, is like,
yeah.
we all work
So,
together on it. It's not that I'm the facilitator. It's that we are all gifting, receiving again at the same time. अगर मैं सन हूं तो आप सन की रोशनी लेने के लिए हो तो मेरा पर्पस है ना, नहीं तो क्या पर्पस है? सन क्या करेगा? हाँ शीतल बोलो, कम
hi.
कम
Arey, so, like, whatever you just said, it was just like a reminder to me, like I get up early morning because of this corona thing. We get up and I'm not so frequent in my work days also. So it's like I sleep, I go for work and then come back again and study. It's like the same monotonous thing. And I'm not close to my friends also, not partying and moving out of house and, enjoying. So yeah, that like the way you told me this example of flower, the fragrance was not there today, and other
Yeah.
days. Yeah, like that was so relatable for me as well. I get attached to people like crazy. Yaar, abhi kyun nahi baat kar rahe? My mind will like it's like non-stop. It will just I'll keep thinking about it. Now I understood. Okay, fine. ये सब चीजें मैं सीखी थी. Okay, in my foundation also. So yeah, that was a reminder to me.
Yeah, so
And yes,
it's
it yeah.
every day it's still yet an involvement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
like today evening also when I was studying, I was feeling a little bit like sort of अरे यार मजा नहीं आ रही है मुझे खुल के हंसना है like that. And my roommate was like super happy. We had like sun rays coming inside our window and it was sort of a rainy season जैसे कुछ तो हो रहा था बाहर. तो वो खुश तो मुझे बोलती यार मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है आज. मैंने बोलती तुझे कैसे लग रहा है? मैंने मुझे तो नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. मैंने मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
I'll give you another example. Okay, so actually that's what I'm saying. More than access, the things around you teach you everything in life.
Yeah.
So I have a doggy. Everybody knows, a very cute Shih Tzu
Shih
doggy.
Tzu, very
Yeah,
cute.
very cute. Yeah.
So
अभी
cute, yeah.
अभी उसको क्या करना है, मस्ती करनी है, वो अपने आप ही मस्ती करता है ना. You look at him, like he will be licking his body, he'll be just like playing and just going here and there. So like they are all self-sufficient within them.
Like amazing.
Every way we are making Rishta, can you mute yourself? Yeah. So everywhere we are looking for everything outside us. Okay, how you said मुझे खुल के हंसना है. अरे हंस ले, किसने मना किया है? अब एक बच्चा मतलब अपनी हंसी रोक के बैठेगा कि मेरे को कोई साथ में आएगा तो मैं हंसूंगा. What is this? This is like really silly. अरे हंसो ना. And like this, how much we are stopping our life in every way. कि मुझे कोई बाहर लेके जाएगा तो मैं बाहर जाऊंगी. कोई मुझे बोलेगा कि तुम सुंदर हो तो मैं सुंदर हूँ. कोई बोलेगा कि हाँ तू केपेबल है तो मैं केपेबल हूँ. ये this is the secret agenda we have, guys. This is the secret agenda we have in a molecular structure. Can we frack it right now, please?
Yes, please.
Okay? So let's frack. Frack, 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 frack. And everywhere we are not willing to live the life to the fullest in these 10 seconds. Can we destroy and uncreate, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, fuck, all 9 shots, poison, beyond. So how you said, Sheetal, कि मुझे मिला नहीं. But see, what if we didn't have those next 10 seconds? Is there a surety of life? You have only 10 seconds to live, guys. Access के tools का मतलब है कि उसको अंदर अपने बना लेना, and you have to live that. It's not only to facilitate, it's to live those tools. You get that? Like you just now said कि मुझे हंसना था, दिल कर रहा था. अरे for fucking what reason will you stop? हंसो ना. What if, like, if something, okay, if my body chooses to leave now, I think I'll be the happiest person doing something what gives me joy and going. लोग कहेंगे नहीं यार ये मर गई, अरे मर गई तो पर ये तो वो कर रही थी जो इसको अच्छा लगता है. I think I will be celebrating. Imagine that. That should be the enthusiasm of our being every moment. That is the possibility, guys. The possibility is that you are a possibility. You have chosen to come to this planet to enjoy every moment, not to like go into this reality and start solving your things. Don't even wait for next 10 seconds. जो दिल कर रहा है अभी, do right now, right here, right now. किसी को गाली देना दिल में दे लो ना, किसको पता किसको दे रहे हो. I mean, it is fun. I mean, I see my dog, he is happy barking on top of his voice, and like he's playful, he's doing everything, and he has no wrongness of himself. Can you be that energy? Can we be that childlike energies? हंसने को who stopped us? So when we are not being the fullest in every moment, that is the time we create problems. You get that? Because you are not living to the fullest of the purpose of you being alive on this planet. अगर हम इस planet में आए हैं तो हमारा purpose ये है कि अपने आप को enjoy करके we have to be going back. And then we make up all these energies more, you know, more than us. कि नहीं, if somebody tells me come out, I'll go for a date. If somebody doesn't call me for a date, I cannot. If I feel like having a drink, no, if somebody will offer me, I'll have. Like, we have all the excuses, damn excuses in life. And you know, when you break that pattern, trust me, then nothing can stop you. And then comes, now I'll talk something is like, again, we spoke about the energy of money today in our group. How many times we are making money an excuse? Again, take an example from plants, from animal life. Do they stop themselves? So, you know, so sometimes you have to be present for a class by giving money, okay? But if you really desire something, you can ask those energies to come to you. In our Hindi and in Punjabi, I don't know if you get it, they say, mango to sahi.
Sorry, Ritu, sorry to interrupt you. What did you, can you just repeat it once again? Like the classes which you said you can call for the energies, like what?
So the universe is working on the system of ask and receive. Okay, I might be acknowledged as a certified facilitator only if I get a certification. But do I think I'm less than a certified facilitator? Then I will create a life like that only? No. क्योंकि मेरे world में वो significant है form and structure. What if I start acknowledging the gift I am right now in these 10 seconds? What Umesh has, I don't have. What you have, I don't have. Are you truly, truly willing to acknowledge the possibility you are on this planet? You have come here because you are a possibility. नहीं तो खत्म हो चुके होते थे अभी तक हम लोग. Yeah, anything else, guys? Anybody else? Who else? Kavita?
Yes, Ritu.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. As you said, I'm maybe at surely I'm talti rehti thi. Like recently, my husband passed away, and he's worked in a central government job. and that central or RRB is offering a job like a compassionate ground, but I have to take an exam for that. So I am pushing that taking an exam, like I am pushing, even it is the best choice for me. I'm just not choosing that one. I am just pushing away, pushing away, pushing away, only because I have to give the money to my in-laws, little bit on some percent, because they have done so much to me in a wrongness. So I am thinking, why should I go to earn money? I have to put in myself in a struggle, and then I have to send the money for them and all. I'm thinking in that way. I'm pushing the job. That is the best possibility for me.
See,
Now I
okay.
understand.
So see, here again, just become present. If you do not have any excuse for going for this job, just ask a question. If I choose this job, will my body and being be happy? Don't do
Okay.
it for anybody else other than for yourself.
Yes. Yes.
And see, why we stop ourselves? Because you will be too much happy and you're not used to how to be too much happy.
Yes. That's true.
Yeah, that is the secret agenda of our life, to create problem.
Yes.
Because you will become independent, you will have some income, there'll be exposure, there'll be more possibilities for you. You are stopping yourself. This might be too much for you.
Correct. Correct.
So that is an awareness, sweetheart. Okay, that is your awareness. Acknowledge. And now say, ki, as an infinite being, am I truly willing to go beyond all the judgments, all the definitions I have about this life? This is how, see, like so many times, like people say, okay, don't go there. That is how even we tell our children, no, don't go in the jungle. Okay.
Correct.
But actually, when you allow them to go, you're actually activating their explorations. How long can you protect?
That's true.
I mean, and if you see from again animal life and from nature, nothing protects anything. It's totally wild. It's willing to be wild. जो होएगा देखा जाएगा. That is my funda. Sheetal,
Correct. Correct.
आज के बाद. And trust me, because I remember from my own thing, when we kept on my husband saying, no, we will not leave the joint family. We are not getting a fair deal. I'll not sign the paper. How will we manage to, take care of 2 young boys? That time, like something came up and I said, dhaad mein jaye yaar. You think you cannot or I cannot? I said, 2 महीना भूखे रह लेंगे. चलो तो सही. बक बक नहीं सहना बिन का. For what reason will you be under somebody? The reason is because we are not trusting yourself. You are not acknowledging you are a possibility. हमने तो assume कर लिया कि हम तो problem है. और जब हमने assume कर लिया तो हमारी energy वो ही energies को activate करती है. And everything that is bringing up for you guys, can we destroy and uncreate right now, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9, shots, boys, and beyonds. And everything, and from all the lifetimes, the pattern of disharmony we have, solidified in our molecular structure. Shall we revoke, recant, renounce, destroy, and uncreate right now, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9, shots, boys, and beyonds. So, Kavita, does that bring some clarity to you?
Yeah, sure.
No, thank you. And Rohini, did it change anything for you?
Yeah, I'm seeing it in a totally different perspective now. So yeah,
So
thank you.
What? And see, Rohini, see for that again, for you to show up on every class, you create a problem कि मुझे problem solve करने इन sessions में जानना है. और कि तुझे इसलिए आना कि you like seeing Ritu or Aradhana or everybody else. What choice do you have? What will you choose?
Yeah.
Do you get that energy? that we already make a platform of a problem and then we start going out? What if that is not required? What if you just enjoy? What if you just enjoy the company of such people? And everywhere you have, bought this lie in your body and in your molecular structure that only when I'm in classes, I'm happy and otherwise I'm not. Will you destroy and uncreate, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine, shots, boys, and beyond. So all the demons which are holding you captive to be in this pattern, go back from whence you came, never to return. To all the people on this call, their reality right away. All the demons, go back from whence you came, never to return. To all the people on these calls, to their reality in any way. Go back from whence you came, never to return. To all the people on these calls right away. Go back from whence you came. You are fired from that job. Okay. Anybody else? Sheetal ho gayi, Indu, Jasmine, Parul, Jay Krishan, Patel, Richa, Anju. Guys, any questions?
No.
Okay, sure.
I love that, Ritu. भाड़ में जाओ.
अरे इंग्लिश में
ये
fuck
तो
off. मैं तो अच्छे से
fuck off
हिंदी
होता
में
है
बोल
वो.
रही हूँ, भाड़ में
लेकिन
जाओ.
मेरा भी यही फंडा है. मेरे को ये करना है. आपको नहीं पसंद आता है, that is your choice. But this is my choice.
And इंदु बचा के क्या करना है? कल जीना है नहीं जीना, आज तो जी लो यार.
आज तो जियो.
We
आज तो मुझे
don't know
यही
about
करना
10
है.
seconds tomorrow. अभी नहीं पता तो कल का क्या पता. I'm telling you, at least do every day. जो कहते हैं ना दिल से निकलती है ना आहा, वो पूरी करो अपनी.
वही तो मेरी बड़ी बेटी मेरे को बोलती है, आप आके 3 महीना
Live
2
for
महीना
yourself.
करोगी क्या?
Choose
करोगी क्या?
one thing every day
Every day.
which will ignite your being.
Yes.
One thing you do which ignites your being and body, not for others. If you're showing up on these calls, it's because it gives you pleasure. Don't come on these calls because हमें problem solve करनी है. Don't be part of any groups कि हमें facilitation लेनी है. किसी को कुछ नहीं चाहिए. मुझे क्लास करना है, मुझे मजा आता है. It's a part of growth. I will like to choose. I will choose. Not from going to fix my problems.
Exactly. That is very
Okay.
true.
Like अगर कोई सत्संग में जाता है, आप गुरुद्वारे जाते हो, टेम्पल जाते हो, because you enjoy the vibrations there. So all these, things like how we are sitting together, it's a satsang. We are receiving, gifting and receiving together. How much we receive from everyone, Indu. I see your, courage. I mean, I'm so inspired. I see Rohini's, her strength. I see this Umesh's craziness to be seen anywhere and everywhere. I see this Sheetal, willingness to reach the heights. But मुझे अभी जो थोड़ा सा इसको वो लगा, कह रही है कि मुझे हंसने का दिल कर रहा था और मैं हंसी नहीं. अरे भाई, this is like, don't do this, guys.
मेरा तो रोने का भी दिल करता है तो मैं जोर से रो लेती हूँ.
Exactly. In Hindi again, there is a word, I don't know in which language or English, what will you, Umesh, we were talking about in one of our other calls, कि रज के जियो. मतलब भूख लगी है तो रज के खाना खाओ. Rohini, do you get that?
Raj ke jiyo is live life to the fullest, right?
That is what.
That is what.
Do anything and everything to the fullest. Not for the sake of it.
कल रात को मैं जैसे सोने के लिए आई,
हाँ तो इंदु बोल रही है ना, अगर
मैं रात को सोने के लिए आई तो मेरे को ऐसा मन करा मैं फूट के रो लूं, तो मैं रो ली. और उसके बाद अच्छी तरह से सो गई.
Yeah, so I mean, who's defining रोना गलत है, इंदु?
कोई गलत ही नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. एटलीस्ट मन का पूरा निकल गया जो भी था.
Exactly. अरे जुन, and imagine करो इंदु, I mean, we all know there are so many people, those who cannot express through their tears. When something happens in their life, people say इनको रुलाओ. They
सही
tell
बात है.
them no, yeah, make them cry. Otherwise, they will not be able to, move from this space to another space. So crying is again a possibility.
Exactly.
तुम रो रही हो तो इसलिए you're able to release and see the other things. अगर आंख के आगे धुआं आया है तो पानी से साफ हो गया. If there was that mist, how do you clear it? By tears. अभी tears नहीं आते तो हमें ये बॉटल वाले tears डालने पड़ते हैं.
मेरे पास problem और possibility
Can you get that, guys? Like, this is how this reality is working on artificial things.
Ritu, I have a very good example of problem and possibility. Yesterday, when I told my elder daughter कि मैं आ
Can
रही
you be
हूँ,
little loud, Indu? I cannot hear you.
yesterday I told my elder daughter that मैं आ रही हूँ और 2 महीना कम से कम लग ही जाएगा रुकने का. तो she said, आप करोगी क्या यहाँ पे आके? And then suddenly she said, हाँ यहाँ पे आप बार्स रन कर सकती हो, आपको मैं पास्ट लाइफ वाले कस्टमर्स दिला सकती हूँ और आप 1-2 काम और है मैं बता सकती हूँ आपको करने के लिए. तो when a problem arises, possibilities पहले तैयार रहती है.
Huh? I didn't get you.
When a problem arises, possibilities पहले तैयार रहती है.
So that is what?
एक मिनट.
There is, see, Indu, again, it's a perception.
Whenever a problem arises, possibilities पहले तैयार रहती है. It is
There
up
is
to us to
Indu,
accept that.
I'll stop you 1 minute.
Yeah.
There is no difference between problem and possibility, sweetheart. It is only the difference of our perceptions.
Exactly.
If somebody is actually, I mean, taking a last breath, अब अगर जैसे I remember, okay, my father was not well for so many years in 2014, and he was in Delhi. And I spoken this to Sheetal, like, I was always very conscious, and my folks, my husband, my children, they always supported me. It was very clear in my life that every 2 months I will travel from Bangalore to Delhi to spend quality time. So when I used to go to Delhi, my brother used to say, come, we'll go out, come, we'll go for shopping, come, we'll go meet that auntie. I mean, for me, it never used to come. I mean, I was so clear that I have come to spend quality time with my father. And my father, like a baby, would ask me, तू अपने ब्रदर के भाई के साथ बाहर घूमने जा रही है कि तू घर में रहेगी मेरे पास? Can you believe that one presence of mine gave him so much of relief to pass through this next dimension? So when you choose being present, being clear, from the clarity of what are you actually desiring, even if the whole world, your own husband or your own brother, sister, anybody, they are vilifying you. And I spoke about in my thing 2 days ago. I think I was around, I don't even remember the age. I was around 28 or 30 something, there was a quest, like somebody was going to Rishikesh for some satsang, sadhana satsang. And I was always mesmerized for it. It was 5 days maun vrat. Ki 5 din aapko maun mein rehna and only do some jobs. I was willing to go, and my folks, everybody is stopping. You will go, you'll become Guru Ma, you're leaving your kids. What are you doing? But I just went. And when I went there, at that time, there were a lot of joint family issues happening in my house. When I came out of that house, my husband called me and said, the bankers are willing to negotiate, which had not happened for 1.5 years. This is what I'm telling you, Kavita, that knowingness, that you know that something is there, but your own demons will stop you not to go there.
Yes.
So trust that you are going to get the pearls there. Just go ahead. I mean, trust yourself. because it is your things and other people, they'll stop you. These are called demons, like these are called devilish functions. In, you know, I do Buddhism also. I mean, I'm part of Buddhist practice. So that is, in that also we talk about, you know, devilish functions. Whenever you're stepping up ahead, like to choose greater, there will be these devilish functions which will pull you down. They'll say, don't go there. But the day once you choose, once you break that pattern, you have already conquered yourself.
Wow.
Once you do it, and then you see, because you have broken the pattern. So that is what I said. Na, jab tak, I mean, I keep knocking at Rohini's door and I want to gift her, and she keeps telling me, I'm not there, I'm not there, and I'm not there. So the day she opens the door and she hugs me and we receive each other so beautifully. And then we wonder, why we were not opening doors to each other? And actually, how many doors we close to each other, guys? Are we willing to receive from each and everybody, even if somebody hates you? Are you willing to receive from their hating you?
Wear it down.
Yes, and everything that doesn't allow that, let's destroy and uncreate, please. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine, shorts, boys, and beyonds. Because if somebody is hating you, they are showing a part of you which you hate in yourself. It's that simple. Because we have been entrained in this life not to explore more than what we can. Go only on the straight rasta. Idhar udhar kahin mat jana. How our parents said, go on the straight way. Don't go right, don't go left. Just go this way, which I told you. Are, what do you know? I mean, you actually know if you go right or left, you will have more fun. So are you willing to be that demand of, you know, exploring every moment to live the fullest? And everything that doesn't allow you to be that energy, let's destroy and uncreate. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine, shots, boys, and beyonds. So anybody else, guys, any question here? Is it Reshma? Who's Reshma? George? I mean, I haven't seen you guys. Can we just hop on to see each other, at least who was there on the call? Any question you guys have, or anything we want to talk? Okay, I didn't get your name. Hi, can you unmute and introduce yourself? Reshma?
Hello, I have network issues, so I always keep my video off.
Okay, so do you have any question, Reshma?
Hello, did you hear me?
I can hear you. Do
Hello,
you have any question? Do you have any question?
hello,
I can hear you. I can hear you. Do you have any question?
hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Okay,
Okay,
fine.
okay. Here there is network issue, that is why I kept my video off.
All right, no issues. No issues. Thank you. Thank you for being on the
Thank you
call.
so much. Yeah, thank you so much.
Welcome. Jasmine, Jai Krishan, Anju, anybody, guys? Umesh, anything? Anybody else? Are we done for the day? Anybody else wanting to ask anything? Or should we say sab bhaad mein jao and live what we
फुल
want to
बेटर
live?
है
है ना? उमेश, हाँ, ये अभी हमारी सुपर पावर है.
सब कुछ डाला है।
भाड़ में जाओ, मैंने वही करना है जो मुझे पसंद है.
उमेश भाड़ में जाओ.
हाँ. नहीं नहीं, Umesh is such a gift.
He's a lovely creature.
He's
I
such a
love him.
gift. Yeah.
I openly
He
love him.
alone. Everybody, guys, वही बात है. You should have those eyes to see what you have. Only then you can see in others. आपके अंदर भी वही दिया है, सबके अंदर वही दिया है. देखने की आंखें होनी चाहिए.
सही बात है.
Yeah, be willing to see, and there is nothing right, there is nothing wrong, there is nothing good, there is nothing bad. जब आसमान है तो आसमान पे क्लाउड्स भी उसी के पार्ट हैं, तो उसको embrace करो. Have fun with clouds. Sometimes they are light, sometimes they are dark. That is how, just receive all the information from everything around you to give you what you are desiring. Ask, ask universe, what can I receive today that I've never ever received before? Can I have it now? Show me, show me, show me. Yes, and that is actually in Hindi में यही बोलते हैं कि देने वाला सब देता है, मांगना आना चाहिए. You should know how to ask. So keep asking, keep receiving, and keep seeing you as the possibility, guys. There is no possibility other than you. You are the embodiment of possibility. Are you willing to acknowledge that? And everything that doesn't allow you to acknowledge that right away, let's destroy and uncreate, right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, shots, 5%, beyond. And thank you, everybody. I've had fun.
Thank you, Ritu.
Thank you.
Thank
I've had
you.
This
so
was
much,
such a lovely
Ritu.
call.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't know अगर किसी
Bye.
को हिंदी में मुश्किल हुई हो, but I've had fun.
No, I think it was perfect.
हमें भी मजा आया.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
I just want to say hi to Umesh.
Yeah, say hi to Umesh. No?
Hi, Umesh.
Hi. Thank
You're way too sweet. Whenever I see your face, some sort of smile comes on my face as well.
He is
Oh,
such a
thank you,
potent
and
energy. This guy, amazing. Thank you, Umesh, for the gift you be. And
thank you.
with the
Thank you,
and the
Umesh.
with the speed you are willing to change yourself and everybody around you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.